Okay, we have to pause the video for a second. You deserve an explanation. Let's look at some footage I recorded prior to this scene. And so I'm going to play a little joke on Brian. So what I've done, I've got some Karo syrup and I put it in a glass. Anyway, I think it's going to be a good joke. All right, so there's a lot that went wrong. It was an awesome joke. It was flawlessly executed. And so whenever he came back in, all the while I had no sound. I was not recording sound. For those of y'all that don't know, I use an external microphone on this camera right there. And if I pull this down, you can see the top of it. That's the external microphone right there. The external microphone has its own battery, and you have to turn it on and off, just like you have to turn the camera on and off. And so I grabbed the camera, spun it around behind me so that I was thinking he would come back in and sit down, and he didn't. And I tried to coax him into sitting, but he wouldn't, and he's so dang tall, he wasn't even in the shot. And so whenever I get here, you can see he's just standing there. And I will tell you, that look on his face, that was worth $1 million right there. Just the look on his face. Of course, Brian's a smart guy. He knows, you know, he knows I'm not going to eat that, but I did get him. He was like, "What the heck are you doing?" Here's some of the footage there's no sound on it, but you can see the look on his face after he realized it was a joke and he sat down. We'll do that here. It was a wonderful joke. Oh well, I wish you could have been there. I wanted you to be there with me. So it got me to wondering, if you could eat epoxy and survive it, what would your turds look like? Would they come out clear? And if they come out clear, it begs the question, would you see them? Would you be able to see them in the toilet? I don't know. We'll have to just ponder that. I don't know. Let's finish this video. So anyway, that's a wrap. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Can you pass me my tea?
Sure.
Thank you.
That did not